Hey beauties, if you're new to my channel, this is Daisy and I'm going to be showing you guys how I revive my lace front units / bundles from blah to yes. So I'm going to start off with my Africa's Best shampoo. It's a moisturizing shampoo with conditioner, so this is like 2 steps in one, makes it really simple. I am going to turn my faucet on. I do like to wash my hair with some cool / warm water. I don't make it really cold, but I definitely don't make it too warm because we don't want to damage the hair. And I do like to focus on the front part of the lace so I can make sure I get all of the excess glue out. I do use Got to Be Glue to lay my units, so I want to make sure I get rid of all that glue. Now it's time to actually wash the hair. I do place the shampoo and / conditioner all on the front of my lace where my hairline would be so I can get that glue gone. And then I do put it all over the unit. You want to make sure you put a good amount of shampoo in there so we can make sure we get every strand moisturized. So I do like to lather in the shampoo for about a good 2 minutes, and now I'm just rinsing out the shampoo with some cool / warm water. You want to make sure that we get all the excess shampoo out. This may take a little moment. So the second shampoo I'm going to be using is my Fruit Garnier Damage Eraser shampoo. This is my favorite go-to shampoo. I actually use it on my real hair and my units. I mean, they are supposed to be human hair, so but this is the absolute best shampoo ever. The first shampoo I use mainly to get rid of any excess oils, and I use this shampoo to actually get rid of any damages or split ends that we may have. So this shampoo works amazing, and I'm just using the same shampoo method, just lathering it in there for a good 2 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out with some cool water. I also am going to just comb out the unit. It did get a little bit tangled from me, trying to lather in the shampoo, but we're just going to get out any tangles here and rinse out the hair. Now that the hair is all fresh and clean, I'm just going to make sure that I strain the hair and make sure that it's not too wet. We're getting all of the excess water out, and you want to make sure it's like semi-damp before you use the conditioner. I'm going in here with my silicone mix. You can find this at your local beauty supply stores for no more than $10. This is supposed to revive your hair, and it's been proven to do so. I use this with all of my units or my bundles. So as you can see, there's not that much left in here. I just take a clump. I do like to start off in the front of my unit so I can make sure I'm moisturizing the baby hairs and my lace front unit, and then I just work my way down to the ends. And I just want to make sure that the silicone mix is getting all over my hair and every piece of strand. I also like to comb out the unit with the silicone mix on here, and that actually make sure we get all the tangles out and it's on every strand. So I just keep repeating these steps until I feel like I have enough silicone mix. So I actually ordered this hair from HairViVi. This company is amazing. The only problem I have with this unit is the ends get a little bit dry, so I am focusing on getting the silicone mix to the ends. What I also did was place this bag just the way it is in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and it actually warmed up the hair, gave it like a deep conditioner, and I let it sit for about 6 hours, and here is the finished product. So the hair came out so soft, it's just like new. As you can see, I can just run my fingers through it. It's not tangly at all, and it looks bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button. And you guys take care. Thanks for watching.